Well, hello, Disney Connections and fellow Disney freaks. I think there might be a mistake. I'm blaming it on her. All right.
Listen, I have the cancellation email. It says it was canceled. I have the email. It didn't come out of the account.
I swear, these things just keep coming, and we're going to keep making videos to tell you how great these aren't.
These aren't. So, what is this, Rob? You didn't even say what it was. We probably don't even need to say what it is because people already know what it is.
Well, I mean, they probably see it in the title.
Oh.
All right, so...
This is our 5th last Walt Life box that we've received. This is the second one that has come in a brown box.
Yeah, and it's blue, though.
Have we ever gotten a blue one?
I don't think so.
I'm looking around. No, I think we've gotten brown and green.
All right.
Oh, this is interesting. Box edition number 10. Look at that. I've never seen that before. Something new. But nothing's checked.
Yeah.
So.
Dream big. You know what my dream is when Walt Life stops coming to our door.
Okay, let's see what it is.
All right, here we go. You know what? Let's just see what they brought us today. All right. Oh.
What the heck?
Oh.
So, Boozles. Wait, okay, first of all. Okay, let's just,
You're gonna show the best thing first.
That's okay. So It's a Pop Funko. This is the second Pop Funko they've sent us.
Yeah.
They've never sent these prior to the last box we received.
It's interesting. What's interesting is that we are actually collecting Pop Funkos now.
We just started.
Yeah. And
so,
I'm actually kind of excited about this one because this is Trace's favorite character or favorite movie. So The Hunchback of Notre Dame. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Well, that's exciting.
I'm not exactly sure what Walt Life is doing because I think they're trying to keep us around.
Do you think they just sent this to us in hopes that, we do like this, they'll sign back up?
Maybe it's because we continue to make videos on them. So
I don't know.
If you have not subscribed to the channel and you want to continue to watch the Walt Life saga,
or some of our other more interesting videos, hit subscribe.
Okay,
so this is kind of fun.
Yeah.
It's a hat, which I don't think we've ever been given a hat before. But it's not the kind of hats that you wear because you only wear those hats that don't have the snapper things.
Yeah. Well, this one's got Velcro though.
Okay.
So
you might wear that.
It's got Velcro.
Put it on and let's see what it looks like on.
All right. I might. You know what? I might wear this.
You might wear it.
Maybe when we go to Disney.
Okay.
Oh.
Here we go. Let me see. It doesn't look half bad. You could wear it with your A&M shirt.
I could. Hey, gig 'em. Yep. All right. Okay. I kind of like it.
All right.
All right.
So
let's set that aside for now.
Again, let's see what else. This is an applique.
It's a what?
It's an applique. It's an Ironon.
Oh.
An Ironon Woody. Stop. It's an Ironon Woody doll.
Comment below.
Okay.
This is gonna be. Oh
my gosh! I've actually been wanting one of these.
I know.
I didn't want to buy them because I didn't want people to look at me funny.
And Walt Life.
What?
Walt Life's throwing it in there. I mean, come on, Walt Life, let's go.
This is a touch tool keychain, so you don't have to touch to open the doors.
Yeah.
And it's Ariel.
You know what? I gotta open this thing.
I kind of like it. Let's open. Take it out of the package.
All right, so You know, I think Walt Life might be watching our videos because the stuff that they have been putting in these like mystery boxes that
We've
keep
like
arriving.
mentioned them in our videos.
It's getting better. Like, I mean, the stuff. I'm not exactly sure. I know that these things don't come to the park or come from the park.
Yeah, this is from Hot Topic.
But
I've seen that at Hot Topic.
yeah, this is kind of cool. So it's a keychain, all right. But it's so that during this crazy Corona time,
you can open doors and pick things up, and you don't have to touch.
Yeah. Ah.
I mean, I kind of like that.
And it's Ariel.
It's Ariel.
Oh, did we show them that?
I think so. Did I?
Ariel.
It's actually kind of cool.
Okay.
Okay, so Pop Funko, a patch, a hat, and these are super heavy too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. What else do we got?
A lanyard, which I think you're gonna like.
I think I'm gonna like it.
And I think you should take it out of the packaging so they can see.
All right. So, okay. So we filmed our comparison video between Walt Life and Bibbidi, and we saw your comments there. We're definitely gonna do some more versus videos. But one of the things that I think I struggle with Walt Life is that there's no like rhyme or reason.
Yeah.
Like we got a Hunchback Pop Funko, we got an Ariel thing, we got a Woody patch, we got a Mickey.
It's like
Mouse
a Mod Podge
of
items. And then this, which is super fun. Like I
love
like
this.
it.
Yeah, check this out.
It's a lanyard of Steamboat Willie. I always say Mickey, but it's Steamboat Willie.
Yeah. Oh, I guess it's this way. There you go.
I mean, it's cute.
Yeah.
Right? None of this is Disney Parks merchandise.
No.
None of it. This is Buckle Down. This is made from Buckle Down. So,
Okay.
I mean, and then here's our letter.
Oh, here's our letter. Well, if I was to get this box by itself.
And with no prior experience.
No prior experience. Good job. Good job, Walt Life. I mean, come on. If this was what we were getting all along, we might not have canceled.
Maybe. I don't know.
I don't know. But they got.
We have another F.
Yeah, we already got an F.
They put some trivia in here.
Oh.
Did you know Snow White is the only Disney princess that has her own star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame? I did know that. But,
oh, did you?
Yeah. And you'll like this one.
Okay.
Mulan and Tiana are the only left-handed princesses. And
the only princesses in their right mind. Yeah. Okay. Well,
Wait, there's two
Oh,
more.
there's more. There's
in
more.
the late 1950s, Steve Martin worked at the Disneyland Magic Shop.
Yeah, I knew that.
The voice of both Wall-E and R2-D2 were done by the same voice actor.
Didn't know that.
Didn't know that.
Okay.
All right.
Well,
I think this is the last one.
we'll see. Yeah, subscribe. Click the bell. Get the notifications in case we have another Walt Life video. So if they keep sending us boxes, we'll keep showing you what they send. We are not really wanting Walt Life anymore, I mean,
the last two boxes have been an improvement.
Definitely an improvement.
So if this is the trend they're going to stay on, maybe we'll. The problem is I don't know that this is worth $50. Like the brand names of these things are not. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 items. There's no way that these are all worth $10 each. That hat's probably like $5.99 at the Walgreens next to Disneyland.
So does this mean that it's Disney, like, trademark?
It's licensed.
It's licensed. That's what it is.
So these people licensed 90 Years Mickey. It's a Jerry Lee. So Jerry Lee licensed it.
Okay.
Jerry Lee is a wholesaler. Did you know that?
I didn't know that.
So you can go onto Jerry Lee and buy 500 of these at the same time for a couple dollars a piece.
Oh.
So that's how Walt Life gets their items.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm not going to say wah on this. I mean, I kind of like this stuff.
I do.
mean, comment below. What do you think? Is this good stuff? I mean, would you buy a Walt Life box?
I'm kind of like wanting to get them just to see for the comedic relief and just to talk about, I don't know. We'll see.
I don't know. All right. Well, we totally appreciate you being here. We love all the subscribers. Keep sharing this out with your friends, and we'll see where we go from here. Keep checking back for videos. We are live every Saturday, 1 o'clock, where we are interacting with you and doing some fun stuff. So we want to see you on Saturday. Let us know that you're there.
All right.
Appreciate you being here on Disney Connections, where we're going to talk about all things Disney.
Bye.